So what if I told you that one of the biggest obstacles to bringing extinct animals back wasn't genetics, it was the egg? A biotech company called Colossal Biosciences have just announced that they successfully hatched 26 healthy chicks using an artificial egg system. Now that might not sound particularly revolutionary at first. After all, we've been hatching chickens for thousands of years. But here's why this matters. Colossal isn't trying to build a better chicken. They're trying to bring back extinct species, including the dodo, the giant moa, even the woolly mammoth. And behind the company are two biotech heavyweights, entrepreneur Ben Lamb and Harvard geneticist George Church. Church is one of the most influential figures in modern genetics and spent decades pushing the boundaries of what's possible with DNA. Any resemblance?
We have a T-Rex.
In other words, this isn't a couple of people in a garage trying to build Jurassic Park. These are some of the biggest names in biotechnology, taking a serious run at de-extinction. The company was founded in 2021 and has become one of the most talked about biotech startups on the planet, raising hundreds of millions of dollars and reaching a valuation of more than 10 billion. Their mission is what they call de-extinction, using advanced genetics, synthetic biology, and reproductive technologies to recreate species that have disappeared from Earth. But for birds, there's a major problem. Let's say you successfully engineer the genome of a dodo. How do you actually hatch it? Many extinct birds had massive eggs. Take the giant moa of New Zealand. Its eggs could be many times larger than those of modern birds. There simply isn't a living surrogate parent available to incubate them. So Colossal's solution was to create an artificial egg. The system uses a specially engineered silicon membrane that mimics the function of a natural eggshell. It allows oxygen to enter, carbon dioxide to leave, and provides the protected environment needed to develop the embryo. What's particularly interesting is that the system is transparent. It allows scientists to monitor the development in real time without having to crack open the egg. According to Colossal, 26 chicks have now successfully hatched, and if the platform works at scale, it could become a critical tool not just for de-extinction, but potentially for conservation programs involving endangered bird species as well. So before we get carried away though, there are some important questions. I mean, the work hasn't been peer-reviewed, and independent researchers haven't fully evaluated the underlying data. So far it's too early to declare any kind of victory from this, but regardless of where you stand on de-extinction, this is a fascinating example of biotech solving a problem that most people never even realised existed, or at least never thought about it. Because bringing a species back isn't just about editing DNA. Sometimes you have to reinvent the egg first.